everyone. Today we are going to see about type of delegation. KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science by V. Achana, currently pursuing second BCom CS, batch number 2019 to 2022. Delegations may be of the following types: general delegation, specific delegation, written delegation, unwritten delegation, formal delegation, informal delegation, upward delegation, sideward delegation. General delegation. In the case of general delegation of authority, the subordinate has the authority to perform any function that may be necessary for the accomplishment of overall enterprise's goal. A salesman who has been given general authority, for example, may supervise the production or packing in order to ensure promote dispatch of the good he has agreed to supply. Specific delegation. In this case, the subordinate has the authorities to perform only a specific function. A foreman, for example, may have the authority only to supervise the workers and make a report to the production manager at regular intervals. Written delegation. Delegation may be written orders and instructions is what is known as unwritten delegations. A power of attorney may be cited as an example. Unwritten delegations. A delegation is based on customs or conventions. Formal delegation. In the case of formal delegations, authorities delegated as laid down in the organization structure. The personal manager, for example, has the authority to advertise vacancies in newspapers and solicit applications from eligible candidates. If the organization has the policy to recruit people from outside sources. Informal delegations. In the case of informal delegations, subordinate performs a certain function although he is not officially bonded to do it. This he does because of the personal relationship he has with their superior who has assigned the work to him. A salesman, for example, may be certain stationery items needed by the office as a favor in view of his personal relationship with the office manager. Upward delegation. Delegation is usually a downward process. Only a superior delegates authority to a subordinate. Upward delegation takes place when a subordinate assigns some work to a superior. Such a delegation is very rare. Sometimes a superior may perform the work of subordinate if the latter has any difficulty in doing it. This he does only to make him understand the methodology of work. Sideward delegation. Sideward delegation takes place when a subordinate assigns certain work to another subordinate working at the same level. For example, one accountant may assign his work to another. In the same way, one salesman help another employee operating at the same level may help another. Thank you.